Namaskar and welcome to AI for All. In our last video, we talked about artificial intelligence and machine learning and how AI helps us daily, often without us noticing. Today, we will go deeper into real-world AI applications and see how they can help every person in education, business, and more. Let's begin. Remember how we talked about AI last time? Think of it like a student who learns from examples. Just as you learn to recognize your friend's voice after talking many times, AI learns to recognize patterns after seeing many examples. This helps it do useful things like suggesting movies you might like or recognizing your face to unlock your phone. Why is AI important? Because it can make our daily lives easier, help businesses work better, and even solve big challenges, like helping doctors read medical reports faster or saving electricity in our cities. By understanding how AI works, we can use it wisely and get the most benefit from it. As AI bringing revolution, we need to know about its impact on everyone and their daily lives. Policy makers need to be aware of it. Very time long ago, computers made entry into our lives. They revolutionized many fields and brought opportunities that were unthinkable decades ago. Long ago, computers could only do exactly what people told them, step by step. They couldn't handle unexpected situations or big variations. But with machine learning, computers can now learn from examples and deal with new situations on their own. Think about when you teach someone to cook. At first, you give exact instructions like add 2 spoons of salt. But after some practice, they understand the taste and can adjust on their own. Similarly, modern AI can learn and adapt instead of just following fixed rules. You can see this when your phone understands your voice commands even with different accents, or when online shops learn what items you might like based on what you have bought before. As computers are gaining intelligence, one can wonder what they will bring next. One of the best things about AI is how it handles our many languages and dialects. Now, AI can understand and translate between different Indian languages, helping more people use technology comfortably. Your grandmother can use her phone in her mother tongue, and small shop owners can maintain their accounts in their local language. By incorporating AI in our tool, we can let more join digital world. AI isn't just for buying things or watching movies where it recommends the items. It also helps with healthcare, agriculture, and public services. For example, AI drones can scan fields to spot crop problems. Telemedicine apps use AI to look at health scans, so doctors can treat people even in distant places. Government offices can use AI to process applications faster. These are real benefits helping real people across geographies. AI is making a real difference in the lives of many people. AI can do more than just read and recognize information. This is due to the generative AI. Here, AI after learning from data, not only can perform search but generate different types of response. It can create new text too. For writers, local news, or bloggers, AI can help write articles in different languages. It can even match the style and tone of local culture. If you need a quick draft, like a story or a formal email, AI can help in seconds. AI can help create content in different languages. A small business owner in Maharashtra can write product descriptions in Marathi and get them translated into Hindi, English, and other languages instantly. Students can practice English pronunciation and get friendly feedback. Local reporters can draft news stories quickly in their preferred language. AI can create art that blends our rich traditions with modern styles. It can generate new Rangoli patterns for festivals, help designers create unique sari prints, or suggest wedding card designs that mix traditional and modern elements. Local artists and designers can use AI to explore new ideas while keeping our cultural heritage alive. They might use AI to find fresh ideas, or to quickly bring to life new color combinations or shapes. Imagine a small workshop using AI to design a new fabric pattern that blends heritage and modern styles. In this case, work which earlier used to take hours or even days can be done in minutes or even in seconds. AI can even compose music. It can mix classical Indian tunes with pop rhythms or create background scores for your videos. AI can also produce voiceovers in multiple Indian languages, which helps YouTubers or local storytellers reach a wider audience. With recent advancement, it can create different types of videos. As we saw, AI can hold conversations in more than one language and remember the topic. It can also automate tasks, like scheduling meetings or making a basic mobile app, without needing any coding. This can save a lot of time and help people with no tech or coding background. All these AI features are exciting, but we must remember ethics, such as giving credit to original artists if AI learns from their work, or making sure AI translations don't offend local cultures. As AI grows, it's important to respect communities and individuals. Education is very important for our progress. AI-based apps can customize lessons based on a student's level and language. A child in a small village can learn in Bengali or Tamil, while another student in a city can do the same in English. Both get tailored practice and feedback. This can make the knowledge accessible to everyone. Using AI, student can understand the concepts very well and prepare for the test. This illustration we will see in our future video. AI can make everyday tasks easier, like translating official documents, planning your festive budgets, changing recipes for special diets, or explaining the key points in your monthly bills. It's like having a personal assistant who's always ready to help. Social media is huge in India. AI tools can give you caption ideas, hashtags, and help make short videos with subtitles in Hindi, Telugu, or other languages, reaching a bigger audience than ever. For help, AI can remind you to eat better or exercise more. It can also do simple symptom checks and suggest if you need a doctor's visit. It's not a replacement for professional healthcare, but it can be a good early step. Imagine running a craft store in Mysore, Karnataka. An AI chatbot on your website can talk to customers in English or Kannada, answering questions, helping with orders, and handling refunds. This is like having a 24-hour helper for your business, saving time and keeping customers happy. Many small businesses find it hard to post regularly on social media. AI tools can quickly make catchy ads, design simple posters, and even test which slogans might get more clicks. A tiny home bakery can look professional online, thanks to AI. Networking events can get busy, and you can end up with a pile of business cards. AI apps can scan these cards and store them neatly in your phone, tagging them by type, like client, supplier, or partner. This makes following up much easier. Calculating taxes can be stressful for small shops. There are the software to make it simplified. However, small shops does not use the software as they maintain record on paper or in different way. Using AI-based tools, they can scan their account books which can generate invoices, add the right GST automatically, and keep a record of all sales. You can see a clear report of your earnings, which saves time and reduces mistakes. AI can also help you plan ahead. By looking at past sales and customer feedback, AI can predict when demand might rise, such as during festival seasons, so you can stock the right items at the right time. With more people working from home, AI can watch your project's progress and give tips for fixing delays, like reassigning tasks or adjusting schedules. This helps remote teams stay organized, even if members are in different parts of the country. Many people have questions like, is AI safe to use? Generally, yes. It depends on the tools as well. But be careful about sharing personal details. Check app privacy settings. Will AI take away jobs? Yes and no. AI can significantly improve the productivity. It can replace many job roles and may create some new roles in the future. its impact need to be studied. It will be covered on later videos. In order to stay relevant, businesses and people need to learn and adopt AI. What if AI is biased? If the data used to train AI is not balanced, AI can show bias. Developers need to watch out for that. Where to learn more about AI? You can find many free online courses and tutorials. Start small and keep learning at your own pace. In our channel, we will cover the resources and topics time to time. As AI becomes easier to use, it can do amazing things like driverless transport or better healthcare for remote areas. But we must also use AI responsibly, respect privacy, avoid unfairness, and be honest about how AI makes decisions. Then, AI can truly help us solve India's biggest challenges. Thank you for watching AI for All. We hope this look into real-world AI applications gave you fresh ideas, whether you're a student, a small business owner, or just curious about new technology. If you found it useful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more. What are the other topics of AI you are looking? Do let me know in the comment. We will continue to make you aware of AI. Until next time, stay curious and keep discovering what AI can do for you.